Welcome to our easy cartoon drawing lesson. In this lesson we're going to have a go at using a cloud shape to come up with a friendly looking sheep. So to start off with, we're going to draw the body in the middle of the page nice and lightly with your pencil. It's going to be this sort of shape, an oval shape, but we're going to use a cloud outline to create the body. So I'll draw it and you can watch what I do and then copy. If you want to make up your own, you're welcome to. So you can see I'm drawing a cloud shape and it's going to end up being in an oval sort of shape inside. So it is around like an oval, but we've got our cloud bits. It's always good to do big and small. So I'll draw that again for you. Big and small bits will make it look more interesting and a little bit more realistic to people, sort of more interesting to look at for people. So do your cloud shape. Okay, so the next thing we need to do once we've done our cloud shape is add in an oval for the head. So you'll see I'm just drawing it and overlapping the body like that. So do that for me. And then we're going to get our eraser and just rub out where the body is inside the head. Okay, so let's start adding some details into the face. So I might add one eye, and then I'm going to overlap that one on top of this one. So I'm doing two eyes. If that's a bit hard, you can just do two eyes, one next to one another, or you can do one eye and then we're going to draw the second one so it looks like it's coming from behind, just to give it a little bit of 3D. And then we can add our pupils in. And I'm making him look at us, and then I might add a little bit of white just inside the eye like that. I'll add some eyebrows. So he's looking a bit quizzical at the moment, like he's not sure what's going on. Okay, so let's add our nostrils in. We're just going to do a couple of circle shapes for the nostrils and then some curved lines on top. And of course you can colour them in black if you want to. So we did our oval shape over the top of the cloud shape. We've rubbed out inside so it looks like the head's sitting on top. We've done our eyes and our nostrils. Now let's add a curved line for the mouth. And for his ears, I'm just going to use some leaf shapes. Would you like that? Well, you're welcome to make up your own. Now to add a little bit of detail into those ears, I'm just going to do the same shape again, a bit smaller. And for this one here, I'm just going to rub out a little bit so it looks like it's joining the body. This one here looks like it's further away, so that's okay to leave the line there like that. For his tail, we're going to add in just a little bit of a fluffy cloud shape like that, and I might rub out where that joins the body a little bit. And we've nearly finished our sheep character using the cloud shape. So the next bit we need to do is add in his legs, and I'm going to use some very thin rectangle shapes like this. Now I'm drawing them in like this first, and then we'll come and add some hooves to them, just to work out where I want them to go. You could even do them like this, where you draw one leg at a time, don't even add the bottom bit. And I want to make them fairly even. I think that's fine. And then we're going to add on the bottom this sort of shape. Now you're welcome to make up your own shape if you want to. But to do that I'm doing one line and then another line and then a straight line across, or you can give a curved line if you want to. And you need to just think about how big or small you want them to be. So I might make them a little bit longer. I think that looks a bit better to me. So add your hooves in. Now we can colour these in if you want to. Colour them in black if we want to. So I could do this, draw a line down like that and then add my black in. Oops. My black in. Or you can come along later and add some colour. There's his hooves. Now it's okay that they're coming up to the body, and we're not going to rub out there because they are coming out of the wool. So let's just finish our sheep off by adding some more texture lines like this. Same sort of shape as the cloud. And then we could also just add some lines if you want to, for a bit of shadow if you want to. You don't have to do that, or you might have another way you like to do the shadow. Sometimes just a few lines like that works quite nice, and then you could also add a few lines onto the body for a little bit of texture. He might even be wagging his tail, which I know lambs do a lot. And then to finish off, we can do zigzaggy lines like this, which will work really nicely for some grass. And that way we're sort of making him stand on the ground. And then you can add in background in the sky and things on the ground. Now if I'm going to make it look a bit more like grass, I could just add little lines like this, just up close to where I've done the zigzaggy lines. And that will work really well to put him into our pasture or paddock. So I hope you had fun doing that sheep using the cloud shape. And please make sure and share it with other people so they can enjoy your character. If you want to add a speech bubble and make it a cartoon or backgrounds into it, other characters. You could even add other sheep. Now you know how to draw a sheep. They're usually in big groups. And you can have lots of fun adding colour. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you've enjoyed it and what you enjoyed about it. And any suggestions of other characters you'd like to have a go at. And make sure and share it with people around you for their enjoyment. And please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Easy Cartoon Drawing School, for more free lessons, to be notified when they're up. And there's one-on-one lessons online available. And also we have a Facebook group where you can come and post your pictures and get feedback and do all other sorts of fun things in that group, learning about cartooning. Happy cartooning!